Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. Today I'm programming a key, and I'm programming a key on this car here. It's a Ford Escape, the newer body style. I'm gonna guess this is a 2017 Ford Escape. So we're using the pad. We're in Brownstown, Michigan. So here's the key that works for them. Here's the key they want programmed. I already programmed the buttons, so the doors lock and unlock. So now we're going to put the new key in the ignition. I put the new key in the ignition, like, let's see if we can't get a good video of it. There we go. There. And we've pulled up the Ford. Open up Ford in the Pro Pad. We're gonna go by vehicle, and it's gonna be not a smart key, it's an immobilizer key. So, and then we're gonna go to the Escape, and then we're just gonna go 14 to 19. We're gonna see the number of keys that are on the system. There's 3 keys on the system right now. We're gonna hit OK, and we're gonna add a key. Insert the new key. Okay, ignition's on. It's reading the key. Alright. It's at 28%. I'm going to pause it till it gets through this part. Alright. Switch the ignition off. Wait for 10 seconds and switch the ignition on. Switch the ignition off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press OK. Red success. OK to continue. Programming success. OK. Let's read the number of keys in the system. There are 4 keys now. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. We're going to read the keyless enter code on this too. See if we can anyways. This is the door code. While we're here. Sometimes it doesn't read it. Should read it, but it's hit or miss. And it's reading the code. What's it going to say? It might come up with multiple codes. It's usually the first one. Test failed. So let's shut it off. We'll try again. We'll back out of the system. We'll back into Ford. Agree. And then we'll read the keyless enter code. See if it does it. If it doesn't do it, it's not a big deal. It's on the car somewhere. Let's go. Come on. And now it's reading. Come on, it's reading. Let's read it. Let's see. 2017, it failed. Alright, we're not going to be able to pull the code off this one. We're just going to try and help the customer out. Give them the code. Give them the code for free. We programmed this key. All they had was this one. We programmed the buttons and we programmed the chip. So we're done. This is a 2017 Ford Escape. This is Jason with the local locksmith company. We're in Brownstown Township, Michigan. Brownstown Charter Township, Michigan. We do car key replacement, car key programming, mobile locksmith services, many different services, rekeying locks, installing locks. We're #1 locksmith downriver. Give us a call or visit our website at mynewlocks.com. Thank you.